Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackU.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Noru Raida full boot. Okay, Noru, that's a new brand to our industry. Where did it come from? It came from one of our premier distribution partners, Helmet House. They already have experience with a couple of house brands that are well established in the industry of Core-Tech and Tourmaster. Each has been around for multiple seasons, excellent reputations from both. Noru is focusing on street riders that are either new to the sport or working on a limited budget but still need quality gear. This stuff's not going to be overly technical, right? It gets right to the point. Everything I've seen thus far, especially when you consider the price points, the quality looks to be right where it should be or even exceeded my expectations. Focusing now on the Raida boot. The full retail of this, okay, is $159.99. You're going to see this sold as low as $79.99 for a full coverage street riding boot. Let's break down fit. I wear a size 12 US in most common shoes out there. These are a 12. I got a really good, comfortable fit. Jimmy tried these on too, and he's like, damn, I cannot believe these would be sold as low as $79, right? They felt really good. Looking at the product itself, who is this right for? I already kind of covered that. That's going to be just street riding. We don't have a lot of ankle stability here. Okay, so this is more of a basic street boot. It's going to have impact and abrasion resistance, but no real ankle coverage. You got to spend a lot more money to get that ankle stability, that lateral ankle stability, but this really hits all the other buttons. We have a reinforced shank in the boot. I can't just crush the sole. I'll give you a look at the sole. Shifter pad, right? They put it on both sides of the boot for symmetry. Replaceable toe slider, that's done there in plastic. There's reinforcement up here in your toe box. We have reinforcement here with that heel cup. There is reflective back there. Protection up here on the back for the back of the Achilles. Up here on the front for the shin. Exterior ankle protection there. A couple of little active vents here. Motion bellow right here. Entry and exit is managed with a zip. And then Velcro here at the very top. It's not a wide range of adjustment, but it's going to get the job done for most riders out there. Inside the boot, you got some spacer fabric up here at the top to keep you cool. Nice mesh fabric down here towards the bottom. What do I think of this? You know, I've been doing this a long time, and the reason we brought this into the shop, and you're not going to see this on every website, the reason we brought this into the shop is the reality is not everyone has $150, $200, $400, $500 for a pair of boots, and we want to be able to bring to market products that we feel make sense for riders working within every single budget, and I really think this Noru stuff is going to help us service the riding community to an even higher level than we previously were when it comes to riding gear. If you have any questions about this, please leave that in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.